Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel willing to present highlight features or overview summary of YOMILINK 50 amp 50 feet generator cord with inlet box kit, that's include. Electrical rating. 50 amp, max rate 6250 watt, 125 volt, / 12500 watt, 250 volt. STW pure copper power cord with 14-50P male plug and SS2-50R twist locking female for RV camper and generator to home. High quality. YOMILINK 50 amp power cord is built to last and withstand harsh weather conditions, especially flame retardant, heat resistant and UV resistant. UL certification seal and approval for safety. 90-degree heads grip handle. Different from the pure round head design of ordinary models, newly designed 90-degree grip handle is easy to hold, easier to pull out and plug in, saves effort. Emergency ready. This generator extension cord with inlet box provides a safe and convenient way to connect your generator to the manual transfer switch on your house, providing the power you need in bad weathers like hurricanes, storms. Also for house building. Easy to organize. Come with an adjustable cord strap and a storage bag for easy store and carry. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.